Got our environment set up. Got our server spun up. Now we're going to move on to step 2. So this is just us creating the application, or the application structure. So I'm going to use Maven to generate. I'm just going to follow this tutorial exactly. You can use your specific IDE to also do this exact same thing. There's a reason why I'm just going to use Maven to generate this, and I'm not going to use my IDE. It's because I don't want the potential for something IDE specific to interfere with making this run. So what do I type in? Nope, don't want that one. Notepad. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste it here, and we're just going to look at kind of what's going on. So when you're going to use Maven, you're going to use it via the command line. You're going to generate a project file. So this will generate your typical Java project file with all of its folders and everything already set up, so you don't have to do that. Pretty simple. The com, this is the group ID, and it usually goes com dot whatever. So if your startup is we got next, right? You can put your business name or whatever name you want to put here, because that identifies you. This one is going to be your application name. So we have Java application or Java SQL. All right, that is the actual name of our application. This last ID here is basically a template. So Maven has different templates to kind of help you get started that you can make use of when you're creating a project via the Maven command line. So in this case, we're just going to go with the quick start template. If you type in Maven archetype, it should take you to a page that will help you look at all the different kinds of templates that they have available to you. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste it. And before we do that, this is something important. Before you do that though, what you'll want to do, as you can see, I am in the C location, Windows, System 32. So if you guys never seen this, is C. I'm in this folder, and I'm in my System 32 folder right here. So I don't want to be there. You want to make sure you put your project somewhere where you can get access to it. The easiest way is to make a new folder here, or you can use the command line to make the folder, but make a new folder in the C drive and you can put everything there. Or if I dive down, I already have my IDE set up. I used IntelliJ and they have a folder for me here. So this was the original one that I ran, the test one. So I'm going to put it there. So I'm going to CD to that location. I'm going to take it step by step. So CD is change directory. That's what I'm going to do. And I need to go to the users folder. So let's CD into the users folder. Like I said, I'm really going step by step. You don't have to do this. You can just type out the long string, but if you're not used to command line, this is an easy way for you to navigate it. Every time I change into a new directory, I just type dir to see where else I can go. So I'll go with Davis. That's that folder directory. I want my IDE, my idea projects, right? So we're going to change directory to idea projects. And so now we're there. So while we're here, we're going to paste our command line arguments and hit enter and just let Maven do what it's going to do. So pretty much done. Package com, we got next. Yes, yes. Okay, build success. Now let's go and look at it. So here's my application. Got my source file. So if you've ever looked at a Java application, you'll see source. Your main file, that's where you're going to be doing most of your code. Testing is for testing purposes for those of you who do. Com, we got next. That's the group name. And app.java, that's the name of the Java application. Let's look at it. And there we go. So everything's set up. We got that done. Now that we have that set up, we're going to move on to the next part of this thing where we're going to be editing the POM file and making sure that we're connecting to the right drivers and things like that. So we will see you later.